Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at this kit by the Ephemera Gardens, and the kit is a vintage grunge steampunk kit. Now I have everything here except for one page. There's a fussy cut page that I did not print out because I don't do that much fussy cutting. But so there is one more page. Now there are, oh, I should have counted them, like 43 pages in here, if not more. They're 48 maybe. And so she's going to go ahead and split this into two kits so that the price will be more manageable. So I don't know how she's splitting it, but I'm going to show you the, all the papers. So these are some tags, some journaling cards, and some ephemera tickets. I like those tickets, those and that one. And then here we have some pockets, and then we have some like washi strips. Isn't this page beautiful? This is a beautiful kit. Beautiful kit. It does take a lot of ink though. I used a brand new ink and some of another one. So just be aware of that. Now it didn't print on the back even though it was supposed to. But here's another page. And look at this background page. Isn't that awesome? And then this. This is pretty cool. It's got these 6 different elements. You could break those up into journaling cards or just use it as a page. And here, look at this page. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at those vibrant, the colors are just so vibrant. And then we have a background page. Look at all the gears and the butterfly. I love the butterfly, the way that she steampunked the butterflies in this kit. And then here's another background grunge page. There's me, the red hair and freckles, haha. Got some writing space. This is a writing journal. There is space for writing. And there's the back. Love the motorcycle. Looks like a greenhouse. That's pretty cool. These are neat. There's so much to look at with this kit. Look at that door. That's just awesome. Some writing space there. And there. This is a cool page. Love this page. I like them all. They're all just so cool. Look at the chair with the table next to it. It's neat how she put the elements together. See the window and the curtains. That's neat. She has a definite good eye for detail. Love this with the books. And over here. And look at the Chihuahua page. So adorable. I used to have a long-haired apple Chihuahua and I want another one. She was the best dog. Look at the bird. Isn't that awesome? And there's the Chihuahua all steampunked out. That is adorable. There's one there. So cute. I love how it's different dogs. It's not the same dog, so that's awesome. And all these cacti. It's a cute little puppy. Very nice. I hope to be working with this kit, making a journal. Love these. Love these. Those are awesome. My printer, looked like my printer took it in too soon or something. Oh, there's the other. Oh, great. Quote of the day. Look at the bicycle. I love that blue. It's so vibrant. Daily thoughts. This is, you'll have to obviously do 2 journals if you get both kits. There's just so much here. I love that. He's carrying a gun, it looks like. Oh. And then this is a freebie. You got 3 fussy cuts there. So I hope you enjoy that kit. Run over and get it. Her links will be below for her website, and then she has a Facebook page as well where you can go and check out her stuff. And look at this is stuff that I dragged out for the journal already. This will go perfect with it, won't it? I went rummaging through all my stuff. And then here's some stuff. Do something with. And then my rust fabric and rust cheesecloth. That'll look awesome in it. So I have to finish working on a journal that I have on commission, and then I'll start working on this. I got to get some ideas going. So hope that you enjoyed that. Hope you go over and get these kits. They are awesome. You can combine the kits and make a 3 signature journal. That is probably maybe what I will do, is do 3 signatures and use up all the papers and just make 1 journal. So, but we will see. All right, thank you for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment. Bye.